So Brandt's a company that really was founded as an HVAC service technician type company for residences back in 1952. At that time, really the thing that allowed them to grow was the innovation and the culture that was very present at the time with the company. And so throughout the years, it really grew into more of a larger HVAC installation company, and eventually tacked on the plumbing and piping side, and in about 2001 tacked on the electrical side.
Renowned for their innovative approaches to challenging projects, Brandt was the perfect trusted partner when Rockwall County, a neighboring district, approved a $50 million bond initiative to expand their extremely dated detention center. The project was the first design-build approach for a correctional facility in the state of Texas. The county, the owner's representative, and the general contractor placed their trust in Brandt to strategize and carry out the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing work, which greatly contributed to the project's success. By meticulously designing and planning every aspect, Brandt ensured that the installation of the MEP systems aligned with the county's expectations. With Trane as a reliable partner, Brandt delivered a top-tier facility that operates smoothly.
It was clear that Brandt had the opportunity to furnish several mechanical organizations and other subs within their house that were able to fulfill all of our needs, and that's what I wanted, and that's exactly what they did.
It's a different animal when you're building because everything is cinderblock walls, CMU, and they're all poured full with grout, so you don't have a chance if you miss an install to get back in there and fix it like you can patch drywall. You can't exactly patch concrete.
The walls were built out of the blocks, and then they set the pods in place, and then between the pods and the walls were all the mechanical chases.
Everything's got to be tamper-resistant in the jail because the prisoners will attempt to get out or hide things everywhere they can. So several of our grills, registers, and fusers on all of our systems were the security type, so they don't allow them to be removed or don't even allow them to stick anything in between them. And also, we have to be able to detect a smoke when inmates start a fire to disrupt things or just a fire breaks out. It has to be detected within 60 seconds, and then the space has to be cleared where it won't redetect within 15 minutes of the initial detection. And that was a big thing that we got through, and Trane was a big help with that one.
The big general idea with the smoke removal is that you can't let people out of jail because there's a fire, and there are fires in jails. So we make systems that will remove the dangers of the fire.
To simulate the fire, we basically had what looked like little M80 bombs, but they were smoke bombs. And we basically put them in a can, put a fireproof tarp on the floor, and lit them. And it usually takes a couple of days for the testing process to go. But we had spent so much time up front pre-testing every system that we tested the entire jail facility in one day. And that was a record as far as everybody had known.
Yeah, so Rockwall County Jail was submitted for the TEXA Distinguished Building Award. And that's has to do with difficulty in construction, difficulty in design, and keeping the timeline. There's a whole bunch of different factors that they put into that. And we ended up winning that one. As soon as we were considered winners of that award, we were also put in for the AGC Building Awards, and we won that one as well.
It was a long process. There's so many details that you have to work on, but in the end, I think that we got the best job for the community itself, because I know that we've got a classy facility.
While thankful for the accolades, Brandt's true reward comes from their ongoing efforts of giving back to the community through their Blue Ribbon sponsorship of the Special Olympics of Texas, as well as other charitable organizations they support throughout the year.
That's what makes us who we are, is really heartfully investing in people and making sure that people know that they're cherished and that they have a place in our community, and we're here to help them prosper.